The ZARK series, a wireless sensing system from Shinkawa Electric, revolutionizes condition monitoring for rotating machinery by improving the reliability and efficiency while minimizing costly downtime. Approximately 40% of equipment failures in factories and production facilities are said to be caused by vibrations of rotating machinery. These vibrations, if left unmonitored properly, can lead to catastrophic machinery breakdowns, operation disruptions, and significant financial losses. At the heart of the ZARK series is the ZARK Nano, one of the world's smallest wireless vibration sensors, providing you with unmatched flexibility in monitoring your rotating assets. It seamlessly integrates with the ZARK X8II, a powerful wireless gateway that transmits sensor data to your condition monitoring system. Enabling ZARK Nano's wake-up function helps ensure early detection and notification of abnormal vibrations that might otherwise go unnoticed between scheduled data collection. The vibration and temperature data collected by ZARK Nano are transmitted via Bluetooth to gateway ZARK X8II and then to the machine condition monitoring system, Machine Dossier on cloud, or infiSYS 3.0 on premises. The measured data are collected and managed in machine condition monitoring system, accessible from a web browser. The ZARK series offers two flexible monitoring options to suit your specific needs. Cloud-based monitoring is ideal for those seeking a hassle-free solution, a low-cost, quick, and small start. On-premises infiSYS system provides complete control over your data and is recommended for the customers who wish to have in-house storage and integration with PLCs and other local systems. Both systems enable you to perform the machine condition monitoring, early detection of signs of abnormality, estimation of problem causes, as well as optimized maintenance schedule. For those who need help in interpreting vibration data or finding the root causes of vibration issues, Shinkawa Electric offers infiSYS vAssist, a remote vibration condition monitoring service provided by experienced engineers. Additionally, on-site analysis and diagnostic services are available to address specific needs. The ZARK series from Shinkawa Electric. By combining innovative technology with comprehensive support services, empowers you to experience transformative and initiative-taking machinery health management.